feels like everyone is starting to invest, just like these run clubs. Suddenly, everyone's an expert. So, have you got a minute? Most people think that joining a run club is an early midlife crisis in motion, but it's also a really great metaphor for getting your money moving. And I'm going to show you how in a Moneysmart Minute. First step, ditch the baggage. Unnecessary debt, gone. And make sure you've got some savings in the tank before you sprint into investing. You wouldn't run without a goal, right? It's the same with investing. Know where you're headed to avoid jogging in circles and hoping for the best. Me, I pace myself. I split my energy across the run. Just like I diversify my investments, I don't want to burn out at kilometer 2 or in a market dip. Running with a buddy keeps you accountable. Just like having a financial advisor. You could get tips, stay motivated, and be reminded not to panic sell. So, gonna get your money moving?